Hello guys, welcome back to the 100 Days of Splunk mini project. In this video, we will discuss about Splunk port numbers, which ports the Splunk is running on or which ports are used. This will be very useful for Splunk admins or Splunk architects who are assigned to design and deploy a new Splunk installation. So let's move straight to the chapter 0. This thing I like to update to you guys. There is a very nice documentation from the Splunk guys that is called Splunk Inherited Deployment, which means that let's say you are a Splunk admin, you are applying for a Splunk new job for a Splunk as a Splunk admin. You attended the interviews and you got the job. After joining a job, most probably there is already a Splunk enterprise solution already deployed, and you will be assigned as a Splunk administrator for that project, existing Splunk enterprise. So from the day one, you have to understand that existing Splunk project environment and start administering that project. That is what is called as inherited. You are inheriting one Splunk deployment, and you will need to start in administering that one. So this is a very nice document by the Splunk guys, and I suggest you to check it out. So moving to chapter 1, list of ports used by Splunk. These 5 ports are the default ports. You must remember these ports as a Splunk admin, as a Splunk architect, or as a Splunk user. Even as a user also, it would be great to learn these port numbers. The Splunk web port is 8000, meaning Splunk GUI. Splunk GUI runs, let's say you are in a ABC project, abc.splunk.com. The GUI will be running on the port number 8000. That is what the web port. Management port, meaning using the port 8089, Splunk uses this port for managing other components. We may get into detail about this management port later. Currently, just we will try to understand what are all the port numbers are used by Splunk, and then how to find out. Yes, short and sweet video. That's all. So third one, KB store port. KB store port is 8191. It is easy to remember. KB store meaning key value pair. Key value pair. Key value pair are like there will be a key and then there will be a value separated by a colon. So you can just remember this one as 81 and then colon 91. Kind of a small shortcut. KB pair, KB store, key value store. That is what KB store. Forwarding port 9997. So forwarding port meaning from Splunk, if you want to forward to other third party or something, I will need to check about this forwarding port, what it does. App server port is 8065. We may see some other videos about these things in detail. Now just let's move to how to find out which port is used by your new Splunk project environment. There are actually 3 words, 3 ideas how to find out through the config files. So under etc system local, there is a config file web.conf. Splunk home meaning where the Splunk is installed. For Linux, it is generally opt and Splunk. So in this file, you will see that management port and HTTP port listed similar to like this. That is the first idea. Second idea, through command prompt. If you have if you have command prompt access, then you can do opt Splunk bin Splunk show web port, show web port, show Splunk d port. These two comments are very nice comments. Here I should write the Splunk home, out Splunk bin Splunk. That is what the right command. This is for Linux. For Windows, you will need to convert this to C: program files, something. So the third idea is a btool. Btool is another nice command. I already uploaded some videos. We will have more videos also for the btool command. So using btool command to check the web.conf. I mean, let's say you don't have the how to say, this is same like checking the web.conf file, but through a different way. That's all. Using the btool command, you are viewing this file. That's all. Very simple one. So out Splunk bin Splunk command btool web list. This is the command, and then when you can include hyphen debug to view the full file. Generally, you may need to do some grep also, otherwise not a problem. So hyphen. These are all the three ideas, and there is one more interesting, very nice diagram here. Guys, please note that this is copyrighted from Aplura. Copyrighted image. So I'm not misusing any copyright or anything. I'm just referring to their information to teach. So here you can see that there are some other ports also available. You can see, you can actually zoom in, I believe. Okay, on Google itself, you can find this image, and then you can have it as a, many times I used to print this out in a color and stick it on my desktop, nearby my desktop. So we can always remember or recollect these port numbers. There are 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 port numbers listed here. So I suggest you guys to check it out. So hope you guys learned something from this video. Catch you later on the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.